So today I'm gonna show you my slime that I made from Elmer's glue. Because Singapore don't sell Elmer's glue and I bought it near my house in a shopping mall. Finally, a long time on Elmer's glue. And I'm gonna show you, oh my god, it's so hard. I'm gonna show you my slime that I made with Elmer's glue. I don't know how to pronounce it. So, this is my favorite second slime that I made. I'll tell you the ingredients what I made. It's like super jiggly and so fluffy. And I think it has a butter consistency. Oh, wait, it sticks to the floor. Look, it's like so jiggly if you can see. If I like, it's like you're slapping a butt. Here, like you know, this slime is like butter, I think.
Look, it's so wet. See?
Sorry guys, that's my auntie. So, yes, just ignore that. So, she touched my slime and it's sticky. So here, let me show you. It's like butter slime. I hope you can see. Can see, but then it's not butter slime. It's not butter slime. Camera. So it's so jiggly too. I think I said that before. Okay, so it's sticky. I think I never mix well, that's why it's sticky, and it's also watery and wet. That's watery. Okay, so oh, it sticks. So all my hands have blue fluffy marshmallow. I'm gonna pause this video and clean up my hands. I've cleaned my hands, and now we're going to the next slime. Yay! Next slime is this one. You recognize this one from the strawberry yogurt. I've replaced another slime. Okay, so wait, I forgot to tell you. These ingredients are Elmer's glue, shaving cream, eye contact lens solution, and a foamy soap. So this is my second slime, my second favorite. It's like cake. Oops. Okay, so this is kind of like sticky and watery at the same time, and it melts easily. Ow. Yeah, I want to do a video tomorrow, but then I can't because I'm going to Batam. Only for one night. It's not cool. Oh my gosh. Oh, my back hurts. I wanna end this video. Anyway, this is the ingredients are sorry. Elmer's glue and eye drops. So thank you for watching this channel. First of all, Hulk. You pushed me. Bye.